Hello everyone and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you the complete working of Xero Integration for Rise CRM. This plugin is designed to help businesses connect Rise's CRM with Xero using a clean, structured, and queue-based sync workflow. Instead of relying on messy manual handling, this plugin gives you better control over how contacts, invoices, and payments are synced from Rise CRM to Xero. In this demo, I will walk you through plugin settings, Xero connection flow, contact sync, invoice sync, payment sync concept and workflow, sync queue, sync logs, and how the synced records appear inside Xero. So let's get started. Here we are inside Rise CRM, and from the left menu, you can see the plugin called Xero Integration. This plugin adds a dedicated integration area where the administrator can manage Xero connection settings, queue, processing logs, and manual sync actions. The purpose of this plugin is to create a reliable sync layer between Rise CRM and Xero. Let's begin with the dashboard. On the dashboard, we can see the overall integration status. This section shows whether the plugin is currently connected to Xero or not. And it also displays the connected Xero tenant or organization, the number of queued jobs, failed job, count the cron URL, and recent sync logs. This gives the admin a quick overview of the health of the integration. One of the most useful parts here is the cron URL, which is used to process the queue automatically on a schedule. So instead of pushing everything directly in the page request, the plugin uses a queue-based approach, which is much safer and easier to manage. Now let's open the settings page. Here we have all the core Xero integration settings. These include Xero Client ID, Xero Client Secret Default Sales Account Code, Default Payment Account Code, Invoice Export Status, and Cron Secret. The administrator needs to create a Xero developer app, copy the client ID and client secret, and paste them here. The default sales account code is used when invoices are sent to Xero. The default payment account code is used when payments are synced. The invoice export status controls whether invoices are sent as draft or authorized. For payment sync, it is important that the invoice in Xero is in a payable state, which usually means it should be authorized. Finally, the cron secret protects the queue processing endpoint. After entering these values, the admin simply clicks Save Settings. Next, let's connect the plugin to Xero. When I click Connect to Xero, the plugin starts the Xero OAuth flow. This redirects us to Xero, where we can choose the organization we want to connect. After selecting the correct Xero organization and allowing access, Xero redirects back to Rise CRM. Once the callback is successful, the plugin stores the connection and updates the dashboard to show the tenant as connected. This confirms that Rise CRM and Xero are now linked properly. Now, let's go to a client inside Rise CRM. Here, the plugin adds a dedicated Xero Sync tab inside the client details area. This is useful because it allows users to work directly from the client context instead of jumping around different screens. From here, the plugin can validate whether the client exists, the plugin is connected, the client is already mapped in Xero, or whether a queue job is already open. If everything is valid, the client can be queued for sync. This makes the workflow simple and practical for day-to-day use. Now let's talk about contact sync. When a contact is queued, the plugin sends the client information from Rise CRM to Xero and creates a corresponding Xero contact. After a successful sync, a mapping is stored in the plugin database, a log entry is created, and the synced contact becomes visible inside Xero. Here in Xero, we can see that the contact from Rise CRM is now available. This confirms that the contact sync flow is working correctly. Next is Invoice Sync. The plugin is designed so that invoices should be synced after the related contact has already been synced. This is important because the invoice in Xero needs a valid linked contact. Once the related client is already mapped, the invoice can be queued. The plugin then builds the invoice payload from Rise CRM data and sends it to Xero. After a successful sync, the invoice gets created in Xero. The invoice mapping is saved and a success log is recorded. Here inside Xero, we can see the synced invoice under the contact activity. So this confirms that invoice sync from Rise CRM to Xero is also working. Now let's talk about payment sync. The payment flow has one important rule. The payment must already exist in Rise CRM before it can be synced to Xero. Also, the related invoice must already be synced first. So the correct order is sync the contact, sync the invoice create, or record the payment in Rise CRM, then sync the payment. This sequence ensures that the payment can be attached to the correct invoice in Xero. The plugin also validates these dependencies before enqueuing the payment sync job. That way, if the related invoice is missing or not mapped, the plugin can block the action and show a useful message instead of failing silently. Now let's open the sync queue. This is one of the most important parts of the plugin. The queue screen shows all current and historical sync jobs. For each row, we can see the entity type, the entity ID, the action, the current status number of attempts, latest error, if any, and the created date. Statuses typically include pending processing, retry, failed, and done. This gives the admin full visibility into what is happening behind the scenes. If a sync fails, it does not just disappear. It remains visible here for review and retry handling. That makes the integration much easier to support. Now let's open the sync logs page. This screen gives us a record of successful and failed sync attempts. For each log, we can set Q, ID, entity, type entity, ID, action status, code message, and creation time, the identity. Here we can see examples of successful contact sync, successful invoice sync, and an example, error entry. This is extremely useful for troubleshooting, especially when working with real finance and accounting workflows. Instead of guessing what happened, the admin can quickly inspect the logs and understand the result. One of the biggest strengths of this plugin is that it uses a queue-based architecture. This means sync requests are not pushed blindly in the page request. Instead, jobs are added to the queue cron processes, then logs record the outcome, and the admin has visibility across the entire process. This is better for reliability debugging, retry handling, and cleaner operational workflows. For integrations involving invoices and payments, this is a much safer approach than hidden background behavior. Why this plugin is useful. So in summary, this plugin helps businesses who use both Rise CRM and Xero by providing Xero OAuth connection, contact sync, invoice sync payment, sync workflow, manual sync controls, queue processing logs, validation, and duplicate sync protection. It reduces manual duplication and gives teams a more structured way to move financial data from Rise CRM into Xero. Thank you for watching this demo of Xero integration for Rise CRM. If you are using Rise CRM and Xero, this plugin can help you build a cleaner and more reliable sync workflow for contacts, invoices, and payments. If you have any questions, feedback, or want to see more plugin demos, feel free to reach out. Thanks again for watching.